Looking for a powerful pro-level hot air rework station? Meet the AIFEN A9 Plus soldering station. Precision and power, designed for professionals. Perfect for mobile phone, PCB, and BGA repairs. Compatible with C210, C245, and C115 soldering tips. 120 watts high power for rapid heat up and recovery. Digital display shows set and actual temperature. Monitor power percentage and progress bar live. 4 temperature presets, one more than A9 Pro. Switch between presets for different tasks instantly. Sleep function activates when changing heating core. No more overheating or accidental burns. Larger display area for clear, instant feedback. All your vital info in one glance. New handle sponge cover for better grip. Copper brush protective cover guards your tips. Anti-corrosion shell extends product lifespan. Button format inspired by industry-leading JBC. Enjoy smooth, comfortable silicone buttons. Remote control handle supports CF conversion. Buzzer switch and button lock for safety. Temperature compensation keeps output consistent. Exclusive splash-proof cleaner included. Faster temperature recovery saves you time. 6 handles support daily repair needs. Supports both conventional and wire control handles. Perfect for electronics, mobile phones, and tablets. Integrated welding stand for organized workflow. Software program control for instant hang-up. Temperature adjustment right from the handle. Switch machine on or off via the handle. Store up to 4 custom temperature settings. Progress bar tracks your heating status. Real-time power percentage for efficiency. Handle sponge cover adds comfort and control. Copper brush cover protects and cleans tips. Anti-corrosion shell resists daily wear and tear. Buzzer switch alerts for safety and status. Button lock prevents accidental changes. Upgrade your soldering with AIFEN A9 Plus. Experience precision, speed, and reliability. Order now and transform your repair workflow.